Hello, and welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. Alright, so now I have to do an operation that if I had things better cleared up in here, I wouldn't have to do, but I have to do it. I have to get up off the chair that I'm sitting on. Oh, there we go. And then I have to take this computer, move this chair over. Oh, pick this up. I think these pets have got heavier over the years. Oh, but certainly I know the power supply. The transformer thing is a heavy thing. And then in the chair, where I often sit here, here is the SuperPET. And now I can move the 8032 into the chair where I often sit here. And then I can sit down again and lift the lid. Haha. Well, here it is. The 8032 board. It is, but what I'm after right now, oh my word. It's the keyboard. Now, do I think that this keyboard is going to be, oh my golly, brilliantly clean and magically wonderful? No, I really don't think so. But everything's got to be tested. It does, and so I might as well test it. But also, I would like, oh man. This is where if you're using a power screwdriver, you strip the head before you even know what's happened, and you say, oh no, I stripped the head. What do I do now? Oh man. Okay. Okay, come on. Anyway, the long and the short of it is, I gotta test every part. See what's what. Oh. See what's up. Oh. 6 of 12. Kind of like one of those Star Trek shows. I am 7 of 9. Okay. These screws are difficult. And this, oh man. Oh, I hope. Wow. Holy mama. Oh. All right. This is not fun. I'm not having much success. Maybe. See, this machine has, oh man. It has a higher arm to it, and that helps. But this screw, oh my word. Holy moly. See that? I had a drink here. I moved it away, and then I moved it back. Dang Danger, danger. Okay. That is no fun. Okay. 8. Okay. When I put, oh man, when I put this back in to the other machine, I'm not going to put all the screws in. Oh no. And I'm not going to tighten them up. Oh no. Oh my word. Whew. No way. No how. Okay. But of course, the other thing we do not want to do is have anything fall and get hurt. Do no harm. That didn't even turn. Oh. Okay, we got a little bit of a turn. Oh man. I'm not saying you should do this ever, but certainly, I guess these things sort of get very set in their ways. All right, I'm going to try and get this one. I'll get it started. Oh, yeah. Oh. It might also help if I was using a screwdriver with a bigger handle. It might. It might help. Oh, man. Whew. Okay. That one's almost out. But not quite. All right, we're going to go back to this tough one. That really does not want to come out. But it's going to come out. It has to. Anyway, they do. Oh, yeah. Okay. One more. And then we can do. Okay. All the screws are out. Now here. It sounds good. It looks dusty. Another keyboard. This one from a SuperPET. Whoa. I almost knocked that down. Don't do that. Okay. I'm going to set this over here. I'm going to close this down. Gee, I wonder how difficult it will be. Now, I'm going to leave those switches there. I have some others. I will find them. Okay. So, keyboards removed. Next time, we'll put it into the 8032 and see how the keyboard performs. If it does, it may work wonderfully, it may work terribly, it may work a little bit. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for coming. Stay tuned. Bye for now.